Remember that one?
Yep.
Is the exhaust leak in there?
Yeah. Yep. So these manifolds you can't really get from the top, and then you can't get them from underneath either. They're a giant cross member. You kind of have to reach in here through the sides. It's a pain in the butt. It really is. But here, I'll show you the things you got to take off. You got to take off the dipstick, a bunch of hoses. But the EGR cooler, first of all, sits in front of it. So you get the EGR cooler off. Then you got this bracket that holds it in there and also holds the first four for the manifold. You get that guy off. And then you can get, you know, finally to your manifold here. And then once you get that guy off, oh, there you go. You can see how the gaskets are pretty much gone. So, the other thing is, the back rear bolts like to snap off. So we're gonna have to weld some nuts on that and get them out of there. Alright, so you're gonna need a little bit of a imagination and some ingenuity here. So, to get those bolts back on there for the EGR cooler, I got this pry bar pulling down on it, and then this pry bar is pulling it outward. That way you can line up the hole and put your bolt back in. It's real fun, man. Yeah. All right, yeah. All right, so here we go. Let's check this out now. Ooh, nice and quiet. Let's rev it up a few times here. That sounds way better. Let's see here. No more exhaust leak.